Hey, what's up guys? It's PMHK here. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So yesterday I tried to import some photos from this camera that you guys are watching this from to my computer so that I was able to transfer it to an external drive. Now, the reason why I couldn't transfer it straight to the external drive was because the drive was formatted at a format that the MacBook does not support when it comes to transferring file. Hence, why I'm making this video. So, I normally have this Windows PC, which is down there, which I hardly kind of use because I've been using mostly Mac. But yesterday, my Mac couldn't do exactly what I wanted to do, so I got frustrated. And all of a sudden, even the Mac also got slow. I don't know what's going on, but I think what's causing it to be slow is the lack of space, because now the Mac is running on some 7 gigs left, so I need to do some cleanup. Just to give you guys a rundown of what I have on that Mac, I'm running there in 250 gig SSD that is there, and I have a 500 gig hard drive, physical hard drive, which is inside. The way I managed to fit those things there is that I removed the disk drive so I could fit another hard drive. Most people that actually have this kind of MacBook, this is the 2012 edition of the MacBook, the one that still comes with a hard drive or with a CD drive. Most people that have that MacBook still actually use it, but what they've done is they have actually just upgraded, unless obviously you've migrated to one of the new MacBooks that has Touch ID. So back to the Windows PC. The Windows PC that I have here, which is the big box that has been sitting here for quite a while now. I think it's going around almost a year that I don't really use because of space. The problem that I have with this Windows PC is that the space disappears like nobody's business. The space goes in such form that today I had no space left in this computer. I cleaned up some space. I had 28 gigs open for space, and now if I go check the space, I only have around 22 gigs left. And now where did my space go? I don't know. The reason why I use the Mac the most is because I can tell exactly where the space went and I can go and erase. And the other reason I stopped using this PC specifically is because of viruses. There's a lot of viruses for Windows machine and I really can't keep track of them, and I have to buy antiviruses. When the antivirus expires, I need to rebuy it, and really it's not something that I am keen on doing. So right now what I'm gonna do is go clean up the PC because it needs some cleanup. I told you guys the previous video that I was gonna go show you how I clean up my PC. This is the video. Let's go. How's it? Yeah, just want to blow my PC.
This one?
No, the PC is inside the car. I initially intended it to be big so I could spec it out with big graphics cards.
Okay guys, like you can shift up a bit to look at that.
Wait. Go. So that's how I clean my computer. I met Ricky, the guy that worked at the petrol station. Shout out to Ricky, actually helped me clean the PC pretty quick. So yeah. So in really quick conclusion, that's what I normally do. This is like a kind of ritual that I do every year because it gets really dusty, this laptop. I mean, this CPU, this box. So once a year I go out to the garage and I dust it off. Now I have to just pass a little cloth on it and it's gonna be clean. So just to show you guys what's inside, I have I haven't forgot what those memory cards or memory whatever. So I have two 16 gigs X3MA memory card or RAM. I keep on saying memory card. I have two of those which goes up to 32. Wow, I have 32 gigs of RAM in here. Okay, I had forgotten. And this is also a SATA 6GB motherboard. I went with this big case when I bought this thing. I think it's been like 4 or 5 years ago. I went with the big case because from then, that's 5 years ago, I knew that I wanted to be making videos, and I didn't really, although I didn't really know that it was going to be for YouTube. So I went with a big box because I wanted to put here at least 2 big GPU graphics cards, which I ended up not doing because I had to buy the camera and I had to do some other stuff. But hopefully now that I might be going back to Windows, I might just get the cards and get a faster CPU, because the one I have there I think is an i3 if I'm not mistaken. And I also have these hard drives. I have 2 of these that are 500 gigs. There's one that is 1 terabyte. I forgot what the other one is because one of them is off. And I have the SSD over there which is running the operating system, which I have to change because it's only 120, almost I did in Portuguese, 120 gigabytes. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on Mac, which is my laptop, and Windows. My Mac started acting up yesterday, so I turned on my Windows PC so I could transfer some files, and now I'm thinking of just going back to fully Windows because the Mac also is now a bit old, unless I manage to get a new MacBook, which I doubt is gonna happen anytime soon. But yeah, for now I'll see if I can use both for different tasks. And at least for editing, I don't have any graphics card. Yeah, for editing is gonna be impossible, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.